Hi berries! Welcome to Berry Gems, where you can find your best beauty. Berry Gems is here to help you. Today, we'll create a beginner-friendly Milla Rad makeup look. I quickly learned the Milla Rad style, mainly using light brown and khaki colors. This neutral tone is suitable for autumn and winter, sophisticated and textured. For eyeshadows, today we're using MAC's Brick palette. It has earthy and cool brown tones. The outer packaging of this MAC palette really captivates me, giving a sense of high-end desolation. But it's not just a pretty face. Every color inside is highly pigmented, matte, misty, shimmering. Every element is covered. It's an all-in-one palette. You could say it's a single eyeshadow look. Start by applying this color to the eyelids as a base. Oh my! The color payoff is so high. Blending is also very smooth. It feels like cotton candy. No fallout on the eyes. Now, use this khaki color to deepen the second half of the outer corner. It contains coconut oil, making it more long-lasting than other eyeshadows. It's less prone to smudging, especially in a hot place like Guangdong. You'd turn into a panda without it. These two colors combine make the eyes appear less puffy and more profound. Now, use this darker khaki brown to deepen the eyeliner. Leave a small gap. Create a soft lower lash line color. Blend it slightly for a smooth transition. Use the leftover powder on the brush to blend the lower lash line. With this golden shimmer, apply it to the upper inner corner of the eye. Then, use this darker shimmer to deepen it. Intensify it. Dip a small brush in this fine shimmer, and lightly highlight the inner corner. Also, the lower lash line, chocolate brown. Now, let's deepen and thicken the eyeliner. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.